Welcome dear student. Today we will solve question number third of NCERT class 10 maths. Okay. The following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. Means decimal expansions are these and this. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. We have to find out these three decimal expansion are the decimal expansion of rational number or irrational number. If they are rational and of the form p upon q, what can you say about the prime factors of q? Okay, so our first question is third first 43.123456789. Okay, so we can observe that here 43.123456789 is terminating decimal expansion. Since so we write here, since 43.123456789 is terminating decimal expansion. Therefore we know that in a class 9 that the decimal expansion of rational number is terminating or non-terminating repeating. Okay, so here we can observe that this decimal expansion is terminating. Okay, so we can write here, therefore this expansion is the expansion of a rational number. Okay, therefore it is of the form p upon. Also, since it is the expansion of rational number of the form p upon q, okay, so q will be of the form 2 power n 5 power, where n and m are non-negative integers. Again we will solve question number second. Our second question is 0.120 1200 12 000 1 to 4 times 0 dot dot dot. So in this question we can observe that the decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating. So we write since this expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating, therefore it is the expansion of irrational number. Okay, expansion of irrational number. You can observe that it is not terminating, means the ends of decimal places are not, and also it is non-repeating. You can observe that 1 2 0 1 2 00. So 1 2 0 when become 1 2 0 again, then we can say that it is the it is the repeating. But here 1 2 0 and again 1 2 00, so it is not terminating. So our third question is it is given 43.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We can observe that the bar is attached to the 9 decimal places. Okay, so we write since it is non-terminating, repeating decimal expansion. Therefore it is the expansion of rational number. So therefore we can write next line, it is of the form P upon Q, but Q is not the form of 2 power n to 5 power. So thank you for watching my video. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye.